no, no. My feet are friggin' wet. Stepped in a big old puddle. Oh, that's gonna be a long day. I'm usually really good about bringing an extra pair of socks, but I didn't today. That's not gonna be fun, no. I sure do pick the best days to get gas, cause it's frickin' a blizzard. It's a rain blizzard. You know what a rain blizzard is? A rain blizzard, let me just tell you what a rain blizzard is. A rain blizzard is when it's frickin' raining outside and it's frickin' windy and it's cold as shit and it sucks and you gotta get gas and you got wet feet because you stepped in a puddle. You don't got any socks. No, it don't suck. It's actually quite pleasant. It's quite lovely to have a day where your feet are gonna be freezing all day. It gives me warm, fuzzy feelings. Stay right there.
Hello.
Hello.
Hey, Crystal, yesterday we was coming from Amarillo and we heard this guy on the XM, the funny, you know?
Yeah.
And he was sounding like a chiva, wasn't he, David? He was doing the chiva, like, yeah, I'll take a bear. I've kind of been practicing, you know, like, yes, I've been practicing.
I'm so glad you've been practicing. Our lives are so important to do this.